How about a nice hand for the fans? $273.18 for Pony 2. Let's see if Kirsty likes that. Up next on track 1 is Eric Evers, our current points leader in the 11,000 pound hot class. That's 1466 top, and it's from Churchville. These guys are limited to 466 cubes. And not allowed to run a cut pass. 2.8 on the turbo. Watch this.
I can be a tripod.
Up next on track 2 is Bill Forrester with Boss 9 from Scotland, Pennsylvania. This thing's got clear and the Boss 2 in the front. And then here's Scott. This modified class allows you to run a blower on a single engine. If it's a twin-engine tractor, no blower is allowed at 1,100 combined cubic feet limit. This tractor is number 3 in the current points. Ford fans, you're going to like Boss 9. One of 5 big block Ford power tractors in this 7,800 pound class. This one's number 3 in current points and finished 2nd in points last year. I believe Boss 9 just became our new leader. .05 puts Boss 9 out front by 35 feet. Here comes the Merle Haggard tractor. This is Donnie Gokenauer from Relay with a Ford 9000 called Working Man's Blues. This tractor's number 4 in current points. Finished 3rd in points last year. One of the 3 9,000s that run the Interstate 11,000 hot farm class. Ford's first tractor to get a factory turbo. We might have stretched the mark. How about a nice hand for Donnie Gokenauer? 224.9 makes him our new leader. He is out front of 5.3 feet.